Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Michael. This is the second video of my how to start an online business 30-day video challenge that I'm doing right now this month, January 2018, right here on youtube.com. And if you haven't seen the very first video, I would highly suggest you to jump back to the very first one after watching this one, because in there I got a lot of information on how to take part in the giveaway thing that I got going on, where I give you my video marketing agency program, Video Sniper Pro, the software for free, lifetime access, all kinds of stuff, and how you can win it. But I don't want to go into detail right here with that stuff. I want to jump straight into the actual content part. And today we want to be talking about how to utilize the power of Facebook messaging. This is different than Facebook ads and any of this stuff, right? This is no real, this is direct response marketing kind of stuff, right? Just as like email marketing, just like email marketing and this kind of stuff, right? But in my opinion, email marketing is a little bit dead, if I'm honest with you guys. So I want to be talking about this exact issue and how to fix it, how to use Facebook Messenger to really crush it in 2018. This stuff that I'm going to be teaching you right now is actually still pretty new. It just came up last year, to be really honest with you guys. And I will show you exactly how I do it and how you can do the same. And it's so amazing if you can start out doing that once you start, while you're starting your business right now, because we didn't have that back then. Okay, so let's get straight into it and show you how it's done. Okay guys, as you can see right here, we are logged into, first of all, of course, our Facebook account, and second of all, an app called, or a site called ManyChat.com. So this is basically a chatbot kind of thing, a chat messenger. And as you can see right now, I have 99 active subscribers. I just started like last month, like literally last month. Okay, so I have 99 active subscribers. I wish it would be 100 right now for the sake of this video, because it looks better, but it's 99. That's just the way it is. And as you can see, it grew every single day. I didn't even promote it that much yet. I just have one thing that I'm doing right now where I use this. And I will show you how this works in a second, okay? So as you can see, active audience, 99 people. And the good thing is that once, this is kind of like an email list kind of thing that you can use for your business. This is basically just like an email list, like where you have a list of different emails that you can always mail just for Facebook messages, right? So, and here comes the amazing part. The thing is that with emails nowadays, you have a very low open and click-through rate, right? It's not like it has been 20 or 30 years ago, or 30 is maybe a little bit too much, maybe 25 years ago, where people, once they received an email, were surprised and happy that they got an email, opened it, clicked the link, and then you had like 50% open rates and 20% or 30% click-through rates. This is just not the case anymore. The case nowadays is that most businesses have very low click-through rates when it comes to email marketing, right? So it goes down to like 5%. For 3 to 5% is actually a pretty good rate. So that means if you have 100 people in your list like this right here, and you send out an email and promote something, most likely only 5 of these people actually click it. And when you calculate that on a scale, you can imagine how many emails you need in order to make a good profit, because obviously there's a conversion rate. There's always traffic and conversion. So if you get 100 people clicking, if you get 100 people going to your page and only 5 of them buy something, you need a lot of people who click the links in your emails to make some actual sales. Right, so this is different though. So what I want to show you is, when you have a look at this thing right here, when we go to the automations part, for example, go to sequences, and we go to this one right here, test, and that's basically a thing that I send people when they opt in for one of the things that I got going on. And this is the landing page that I have right here. Many of you guys have seen this. This is one what we call a one-time special offer page, right? So everyone who gives me their email address on my Tube Millionaire landing page kind of thing ends up coming to this page before they watch the free video material that I promised them, right? So what people can easily do right here, this is a one-time special offer. Here they have the one-time chance to get my course not for $1,000, but for $67, or they can just go to the next page, proceed to the next page and check out the free video material that I have for them, right? So at the bottom of this page though, you will see a message that says, I will personally send you a 50% off coupon on top of that by joining our Facebook notification list. And that's how valuable that stuff is to me, that people join that stuff, right? So people will do that. So what they will do is they will click send to Messenger, and then it will redirect them to the free video thing. But what happens is when we go to Facebook and click here, we can see that I actually, this is funny right now because I'm basically sending it to myself, but this Michael Kohler right here is not the same profile as this one right here. This is actually my fan page, right? This is my fan page. And when we click on it, we see that it says, welcome Michael. And by the way, you can use a tag right here, so it gives the actual first name of the whatever person. Thank you for subscribing. I promise you to send you coupon code for a 2 billionaire course, right? And then I actually sent them the code. And a lot of people then go here, click here, and simply go there, check out, use the coupon, get another 50% off, and that's how I make sales. The amazing part is that look at these open rates right here and the click-through rates. The open rates of the very first one is the open rate is actually 100%. This means all the people who actually signed up there on this thing actually open it, and then almost half of them click it, and that's insane. That's not even comparable to email marketing anymore. So if you want to do something with your business these days, you have to jump on that stuff, okay? And what I then do with this kind of automation right here, one day later I sent them a message where I invite them to like a free webinar or something. Then the other one is another free video, and another video, and then another webinar or something, then 3 days after that. And you can see the open rates are still very high. Of course the click-through rate goes a little bit down because that always happens even with email. The very first email in an automation always has the highest open rate, and then it will go down a little bit after a while, okay? So, but this is insanely high right here, right? And let me know if you want another tutorial on how to like set things up right here, because I mean the app or the website right here is pretty straightforward. It's really easy to do. It's not really hard. Just have to set up your stuff. I probably spent an hour or something figuring stuff out. But if you want me to actually go through and make a longer tutorial, be sure to comment below, and yeah, just let me know. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. See you tomorrow for the next video. I'm not sure what it's going to be about yet. And yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and see you soon.